For generations, the Thornes have been a family of tremendous wealth, position, and power. The perfect marriage of Ambassador Robert Thorne and his wife, Catherine, was fulfilled by the birth of their son, Damien.
So I want to start off Halloween Hauntathon with a classic. This is The Omen, which was released in 1976, directed by Richard Donner. It stars Gregory Peck as Robert Thorne, Lee Remick as Catherine Thorne, and Harvey Stevens as Damien. Basically, the premise of the movie is that Catherine Thorne goes into childbirth, loses the baby, and Robert Thorne decides she can't handle one more loss of a child. They need to just replace this baby that she's lost and pass it on as her own. So Robert does find a baby. He's informed that the mother of the child has passed away during childbirth and that this child was all alone, had no relatives, no nothing, and he thought, perfect. So he took the child home and raised it as their own and gave it the name Damien, fittingly enough. So they ended up raising this child, and sooner or later a bunch of weird coincidences started to happen around them. Dogs started to react differently to him. He started to have weird reactions to being near churches, and accidents kept happening to the mother and to other people around him. So it started to seem a little bit like he maybe didn't belong to them after all. There was something a little bit wrong with their kid. What I liked best about The Omen was more of the atmosphere. I really enjoy old horror films. Anything more in the 60s, 70s, and 80s and before that, just because the quality of film is so kind of not at its best, and the colors are desaturated and just seems just a little bit more spooky that way. The scores were more intense at that time as well, so for me this is a perfect horror movie just because it is from the right kind of time period, and it's really ballsy for a movie at that time, and it also has this kind of legacy about it because a lot of really horrible things happened on set, to crew and to cast and to people involved in the project, supposedly. So there is a lot that kind of involves or surrounds this film that makes it that much creepier. And then finally, just to leave you guys with something to think about, if you have seen the film, I heard that it was originally supposed to be seen as the father just felt guilt about deceiving his wife into believing that this child that wasn't their child was theirs, and raising it as his own, and that everything bad that had happened, all those bad things that Damien had caused, were merely coincidences. Him being paid back for betraying his wife's trust and lying to her all those years, and it's meant to be more of a coincidence thing, and he pays the ultimate price by trying to kill this innocent child. So there is that other side of it as well, to look at it in a different light the next time that you watch it. That was changed, and it was ultimately became the Demon Child movie, but it's interesting to think about where it came from, and what their original intention was with the film as well. So thank you so much for watching. I will be in the next video or the next few videos, I'm not sure. But thank you so much for watching the first video in Halloween Hauntathon, and I hope you guys join me for more soon. Happy Halloween!
Remick, The Omen. If this is the truth, where does it end?